This is Mayday. Mayday is a 6.5-year-old neutered miniature poodle. He was brought to the Humane Society because he and the other pet in the home were not getting along. He is housebroken, he's good with dogs, and he would do best in a home that is kid-free. He has a lot of energy and needs a home that has plenty of time to exercise him. If you want to meet Mayday, come down to the Humane Society. This is Tom. Tom is a 5-year-old neutered pug mix. Tom was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could no longer care for him. He is housebroken, would do best in a home that is kitty-free, and he's good with other dogs. If you want to meet Tom, come down to the Humane Society.